A cylindrical cork of uniform density floats in a liquid of density ρ1. If the cork is depressed slightly and released, it oscillates harmonically with a time period t. So it is harmonic oscillation, and these oscillations are harmonic oscillation. If the same cork floats in another liquid of density ρ2, then the similar oscillation has time period 2t. What is the value of ρ2 by ρ1? We have to find out the value of ρ2 by ρ1. For an oscillating cork, the motion will be what? SHM. Motion will be what? Simple harmonic motion. What is the time period formula? 2 pi root m by a rho g. Any doubt? T equal to 2 pi root m by a rho g. That means time period is what? Here m, a, g are constants. So time period directly proportional to 1 by root rho. So TA by TB is equal to what? What is the formula? Root rho A by root rho B by, it is inversely proportional, right? Rho A. It is given what? With the time period D. If the cork is depressed slightly and released with the oscillate harmonically with the time period t, if the same cork floats in another liquid of density ρ2, then the similar oscillation has time period what? 2t. That is TB, time period of B is equal to what? 2a. 2 times time period of A. So TA by 2TA is equal to what? Root of rho B by rho A. So what we have to find out? Rho 2, I have taken BA, you can take rho 2, rho 1. So what is rho B by rho A? TA gone, it is 1 by 2, right? So if you make squaring what we will get? Squaring, what we will get? Rho B by rho A is equal to what? 1 by 2 square. So it is 1 by 4. So rho B by rho A, actually the question should be rho 2, means in question it is rho 2 by rho 1. So my option is 1 by 4. Here also it is 1 by 4. See, I have taken A, B. I should have taken as rho 1, rho 2. Rho 2 is what? Rho B, and rho 1 is what? Rho A. I hope it is clear. No confusion there. It's very simple based on time period, because this oscillation of cork is what? Simple harmonic. What is the formula? T equal to 2 pi root m by a rho g. In this formula, m, a, g are constant. So T directly proportional to 1 by root rho. Okay.